the weekly price of gold USD, the current price is trading sideways at the 20 EMA, where the latest candle closed above the crucial dynamic level. The 100 SMA remained below the structure, with the current RSI above the 50 line. The RSI is at the 60 level in the daily price, suggesting that the pair has a higher possibility of extending the bullish pressure in the coming days. The 100 SMA is the immediate resistance in the daily chart, where a minor downside correction could influence bulls to join from the 20 EMA. Based on the current market outlook, the 1950 would be a crucial level to look at. A bullish recovery with a daily candle above this level would increase the possibility of testing the 1980.00 static level before moving to the 2000 level. Conversely, a bearish daily candle below the 1930 level could lower the price towards the 1900 psychological level.